3, 2, 1. Blast off. Welcome to the Shar and Joe Show.
As you can see, we've got the two kids here, Elena, who is 1, and Carter, who's 2.5.
Yeah, so we're continuing our portrait series. Today we're gonna do a family shoot, just to make things challenging for us. So we're doing some shots at the beach and then some in a grassy area. The plan is to keep things pretty simple and shots that won't matter so much if they're wiggling around a little bit.
Yep, I'm not sure how it's all gonna go. I think they're gonna have a good time. So let's set up for that first shot.
All right, let's get started. Set up for our first shot. This one's pretty simple. We're just out on the beach near the water, and me and Sharlene are each gonna grab one of the kids and toss them up in the air, and we're gonna just get a shot
while they're up in the air. Yes. Carter and Joe are washing their feet off because he's so messy. 3, 2, 1.
Carter's got a shovel. Our next scene involves digging a hole. Ready to get started, Carter?
You ready to get started with Dad?
Show them the shovel. Me and Carter are gonna basically dig a hole in the sand, probably about this big around, just big enough for me to stick my cell phone down in there. And then we're gonna show you what our shot looks like. Ready? Let's dig. Use your shovel, dig a big hole. Put the dirt over there. So me and Carter got this hole dug. It's about the size of this Tupperware lid, which I brought along so that I can set my phone on there and hopefully prevent some of the sand from getting in on it. Might have to clean this hole up again before we're ready to shoot, but stay tuned for the shot. Got this hole cleaned up a bit. You may want to put your phone in a plastic bag, especially with the kids. I have a feeling I'm going to be picking sand out of here for a few days. And then I'm going to stick the lid down in the bottom to help protect the bottom of the phone. Turn it to selfie mode so you can see what you're taking a picture of. And you can stick that down in the bottom of the hole. Everybody smiling? Look in the hole. Smile.
We're set up here by this bench, and this shot actually was inspired by a poem that I wrote when Carter was a baby. It's very simple setup. All I have is a piece of paper I folded with a heart on it. It's gonna be a fun mother-son photo shoot. So let's go grab Carter.
Charlene's gonna hold him over her shoulder and just hold up the heart on his back. So let's get it started.
All right, Carter, you're gonna sit in Mama's lap. Turn around.
So this shot, we moved over to a grassy area, got a nice tree in the background and beach beyond. We're gonna be holding this blanket up and we're gonna be flopping it over to kids.
And hopefully they look up at it and take some nice photos. I'm not sure how that's gonna work with 2 little ones.
Yeah, so got the camera set up over there on a tripod. I'm gonna put it on interval shooting so that we get a bunch of shots and hopefully something turns out. Kids have short attention spans, so make sure you always bring snacks or toys or something to occupy them in between. Ready to get started?
Yep, let's grab our babies.
Let's go.
You guys ready for the tent?
Ready?
You ready?
Push it up in the sky.
Push it high.
Look up at it.
Look, look.
There you go. So that was a wrap for today. Pretty big struggle with our 2 little ones, even though they were easier shoots. I think it would have helped having a third person and not doing the filming. I think the rule of thumb, if you got little ones, they got short attention spans, so don't get them involved until you're absolutely ready and set up.
Right.
So thanks so much for watching.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and stay tuned for the end of our video for some of my writing and some of those fun bloopers, because there's a lot from this one.
Maybe, yeah, probably. Ready to say bye?
Ready to say bye, kids?
Wave. Wave to the camera. Bye.
Can you say bye, Lena?
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, all right, bye.
Say bye.
Bye. Bye.
So that last one went okay. Rule number one on parenting, if you got one toy, you better buy two if you have two
Right.
kids.
Good job.
job.
I got it.
I will teach him kindness when it is easy to be selfish. I will teach him fearlessness when the odds are against him. I will teach him confidence when others try to break him down. I will teach him gratitude when blessings seem very difficult to count. I will teach him love when you don't know why you should. I will teach him how to teach when others need a voice. I will teach him how to listen when his voice becomes too loud. I will teach, and every day he will teach me too. Lessons we both need to learn.
They're gonna think you have a beard on the Shar and Joe Show. Ready? Go, Grandma.
Yeah, we're gonna make a fun tent for
That's
her.
right here.
Yeah.
Here.
Oh.
You don't want a snack.
Charlene's just gonna hold him over. I don't know why I have this shovel.